Hello friends, welcome back to Department of CS YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the most popular and commonly used programming language Python. Python is very famous for its simple programming syntax, code reliability, English-like commands that make codes a lot easier and efficient. Python is a widely used general-purpose, high-level programming language. It was created by Gideon von Johnson in 1991 and further developed the Python Software Foundation. Python is popularly used for development, scripting, and software testing. Top IT companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, and others used Python. Some major applications of Python can be seen in the field of machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and IoT. Python was created in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC language. And next we have to see what is Python. Python is an interpreter's object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic building. Python is one of a very attractive for rapid application development. Python is a free open source programming language that is available for everyone to use. And next we have to see why Python language is popular in 2020. Python language is one of the most accessible programming language. It has simplified syntax and not complicated, which gives more emphasis on nature language. Python codes can be easily written and execute much faster than other programming language due to its ease of learning and usage. Python can be used in a easy to learn, efficiency, reliability and speed, big data, machine learning and cloud computing. First choice language. Use of Python in an academies. And now we have to see what are the characteristics of Python. Python can support functional and structured programming method as well as OOPs. Python can provide a very high-level dynamic data types and support a dynamic type checking. Python can support automatic garbage collection. It can be easily integrated with C, C++, ActiveX and Java. Let's start a basic program tutorial into the video.